Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change who can add you to group from your WhatsApp web. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type web.whatsapp.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, as you can see, this is the homepage of WhatsApp once you have logged in. Right now, we simply want to change who can add us to group. At the bottom left corner, right above your profile, there's a gear-like icon. It's settings. Simply click on it and something like this will open. That is the settings tab. Now you're gonna be given lots of options, namely accounts, privacy, chats and everything. Simply hit the privacy tab right here. Now all these options will come up. Simply scroll down and you'll see many options like disappearing messages, groups, blocked contacts and such. Simply hit on this groups button right here and then you will see something like this saying who can add me to groups. Right now it's on everyone. You can change it to my contacts as well. You also have the option to select my contacts accept, and do note that admins who can't add you to a group will have the option of inviting you privately instead. Well guys, that's it. That's how you change who can add you to groups in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.